Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Odyssey mods. First, you'll need a few key things to get started on your modding journey. You must have a Nintendo Switch that has already been modified. Additionally, a legitimate copy of the Super Mario Odyssey game is absolutely necessary. You will also need a personal computer running a Windows operating system, along with an SD card and a reliable way to connect it to your computer. Once your setup is ready, the next exciting step is finding the mods you want to play. Game Banana is widely recognized as the best place to discover a vast collection of Super Mario Odyssey mods. You can browse for anything from entirely new custom levels to fun character costume changes. After selecting your desired mod, download the files, which usually come in a compressed format. Then, use a program like WinRAR or 7-Zip to extract the contents. With your mod files extracted, it's time to transfer them to your Switch's SD card. Carefully connect your SD card to your computer. On the SD card, locate the Atmosphere folder. Inside Atmosphere, you'll need to find or create a folder named Contents. Within Contents, create a new subfolder using Super Mario Odyssey's unique game identification number. Finally, place your extracted mod files directly into this specific game ID folder. Now for the best part, playing your mods. Safely eject the SD card from your computer and insert it back into your modded Nintendo Switch. Power on your console and navigate to the Homebrew menu. Here, you will typically use a mod manager application, such as Simple Mod Manager, to activate the mods you've installed. Once enabled, simply launch Super Mario Odyssey from your Switch's home screen and enjoy your customized adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.